Hey guys, it's Paul, PNUK, Paul Nicholson, the punk, whatever you want to call me. We are looking at citizen journalists today. Big thing in the UK happening. Free speech is a problem in this country, and we need to salute and support the citizen journalists. No matter whether you agree with them or not, you're allowed to view their videos, comment on their videos, and just get more knowledge and information. If you go to pnuk.com/CJ, as in citizen journalists. This is actually citizen journalists from all over the world doing different things. The scammers, the scammers, the ones that are showing scammers, the one that are showing UK Live, the one that are commentating on social behaviour. There's some car channels in there who talk a lot about electric cars and the realities of that. So there's a lot of them in there, and you can filter it down to certain aspects. If you sign up for pnuk.com, it's free, and tag your channel or claim your channel, then you'll bump to the top of the list. So Matthew does weather, citizen journalist doing weather. But why we want to show you, I want to show you the stats. I want you to show you the UK citizen journalist. If you go here and you click, sorry, let's go back. If you click here, category stats, it'll filter. Did I click on that then? Yeah. It'll filter to the citizen journalists, and then you can either go up here. Oh, you can't actually. Where's the country isn't showing it? You can just tag a flag, and it'll filter to that country. So here's a list of citizen journalists, 48 at the minute, all doing various things within the UK. And we can see, if you see grey here, it means they've only just been added. So when it says last 30 days, the little number next to it tells you how many days it's been tracked. So when I track here and say, show me the last 30 days of citizen journalists, Trigonometry, they've got 13.9 million views in 12 days. Where Toozy, Charlie Veach, and you can just see the views they're getting, which is insane. Who's this one? Richard Murphy. I think it's an economist. So UK government, just so you know that pnuk.com is sharing YouTube videos, as in embeddable sharing. Everything's on, the thumbnails, everything's on YouTube. It stays on YouTube. pnuk.com is not adding these to their website, but it is taking through YouTube's public API and allowing you to share. Nobody can post on my website. Nobody can. The only thing people can post on the website is linked to their social media. If you claim your YouTube channel just by verifying you own it, then you can add your social media links and that, stuff like that. So we can see there's crazy amount of numbers, and we can see these people are sticking their necks out. Wesley, I talked to Wes on X, doing excellent stuff. Epping was reporting from Epping. They've just reported that they're closing it down. It should ping live every time somebody posts a video. It should ping that these videos are live, but you can refresh here. That'll refresh the stats, so you can see the views. So here we go. Epping says no to migrant hotel, right? Epping erupts, million views, 300,000 views he was in. Yeah, he went to... I've watched all these videos. You can follow. So up here, you can follow. You can mute if you don't want to, but you can follow. That will add it to your follow list. It's not quite working yet. But if you also go up here and... Again, I need to just sort the filter out. It used to be able to filter to GB, but it's just stopped working. There's always going to be something on my website that breaks. Yeah, I was hoping to... I have got filters now, I'll make it better. But if you go to here, it will show you all citizen journalists live, their latest videos, right? So Billy Moore, All or Nothing's just put a video out. Steph the Alt Nerd has put a video out about the Kardashians. Is that the Kardashians? She does a lot of videos about Meghan Markle, but she also does political. She's got 2 channels. Here's Richard just put his video out. Here's another one, Real British Media. Look, agree or disagree. Follow the ones you agree with. Follow the ones that you are interested in. But you can't help but support the one. Look, the revolution has begun. Something's happening. Again, UK government, this website is sharing videos. It does not need age restricting. People cannot share their own content. People cannot even comment on other people's content. If you come here and you want to comment on the revolution, it says here, comment, like and subscribe on YouTube, which will take you to the video that has been shared on PNUK. So sad that you've got to like spell it out. I am the only person who runs PNUK, Paul Nicholson, PNUK Limited. But we want to get the word out. People are putting their necks out and creating videos, creating stuff on this. If you go to any of these channels, so if you go Seth the Alt Nerd, you can see commentary, Citizen Journalist. So you go here, we'll take you back to Citizen Journalist. If it's commentary and Citizen Journalist. So these are the channels that I think are commentary. So it's more of a commentary about everything rather than news. It's kind of like, it is kind of news as well, but on the YouTube, it's called commentary, isn't it? It's not called latest news. So if you go to someone like True Geordie's commenting on the world of social media and the nonsense that happens in social media, and maybe a lot of fighting talk and other big, not just UK stuff. Joseph Watson talks about the ridiculousness of things. Paul Joseph Watson, isn't it? Yeah. Talks about, the things that are happening within all these sort of areas again. And again, if you click here, so you go commentary. So this is a commentary in the world. So a lot of commentary, go to view latest videos. Lots of things. So if you've got a YouTube channel in these niches, all you've got to do is log in, add your channel. It'll say what category do you want to be in. So if you're a commentary and a citizen journalist, we are here to promote the living crap out of you. We want people to see your videos, but this is ultimately YouTube channels. These are YouTube channels, not part of PNUK, which was the Patriot Network. It became the Platform Network UK, but it is just PNUK. It should be punk, but I'm not trying to incite violence, I'm not trying to incite hate. I'm just trying to show the truth. Show channels that are saying, here's what I think the truth is of this situation, and they have created videos around it. So you should be able to find them easier. Check the latest videos from those. I will be filtering down to specifics. So the feed, the Platform Nation UK was supposed to be for just UK, but I'm going to make this a little bit, it's supposed to be friendly, but truthful, with mainstream media dipping in, but the narratives. But these are boots on the ground, people that are going around the country, filming the country. Now, some will say some people farm for views, video certain people for views, but we can't deny the amount of things that are going on in the world that people are brave enough I would say in most of the ones I watch, they put their face on the video. And YouTube and AI and everything on YouTube is going down the path of, are you a human? Are you a human and am I watching? Or is this AI generated, AI slop they call it? Or is it as somebody put their face on camera? Now, Paz, yeah, he actually doesn't on that one, but he does do a lot of videos where he's on camera. Look, Welsh, put the Welsh flag up there. Get the flags out. There's nothing wrong with the flags. There we go. Right, so put the picture, put in the face, put the names. You know who we are. We're not hiding. We're not masked up. We're not doing anything to incite violence, but we're just asking the question of the world. And not just in politics. It could be in, like say, Jeff Does Cars. There's a lot of talking about the current state of car buying and things like that. So Jeff Does Cars, right? There's a lot of things in, EV, woe for learners. Automatic cars aren't real. Drives to Bulgaria in an old car. There's a lot of things to say. Well, these new cars break down all the time. I can drive a 30-year-old car, 2,000 miles. Stuff like that. A lot of people doing great stuff. And they don't need me to push their voice. But if it's easier to find and filter down, then hopefully things like the feed, so this might become the UK Citizen Journalist feed. If it's easier to find things, easier to go to things that you follow. So when you click follow, I'll need to make sure that the homepage is just videos you're following. So this should be just keeping you up to date. But if you want to be on the list, just log in. Log in with Google. Click add a channel. Or if your channel's already here, so Dan Wotton, if this is your channel, just log in and click add channel and it'll already be there. All the data's there. So we're tracking. I don't think he's not been there long. So If we go back to Jeff, let's go back to Jeff. Oh, is it going to let me? It's not going to let me now, is it? Paul Joseph, I don't think I've been tracking him long either. It's not tracking. It's just every day I check on your views, I can track how many views you're getting month on month compared to other people in your niche. So Jeff buys cars. You know, we can see how are the videos working. Month on month subscribers going down. Month on month views going down. I think Jeff will say not done as many views because when he's travelling, he's not done many views. It's been, I mean, Jeff has a series where he's updating, he's upgrading a motorhome. I'm massively invested in his update of a motorhome. But you can see his videos have dropped off a little bit in views as well. Oh no, they're not. I've pinged it here. So what's this one? Why is Net Zero not here? Right, so you can see if you want to tunnel into certain channels, you can see the big videos, the big talking points, things that are doing. And if you're doing videos like this, look at other people's channels and model them. I'm not saying copy. I'm saying, all right, 200% for a Ford Escort. You know, it's got 62,000 views, right? How much was that one? Talk about Net Zero, got 112,000 views. So the citizen journalist voice is loud and kicking, but these guys need your support to keep going. pnuk.com/CJ. I will make this better. I'll add filters so it says which country, and then within this, there's different journalists or different categories, so I'll filter to that as well. If you're a citizen journalist and you want adding, but you're not very techy, you want me to add you, just comment below and I'll add your channel. As I say, you can go in and you can add your social media links. All you got to do is go to manage your page and then add your LinkedIn, put your LinkedIn profile, save it. Lots more to come, and keep doing the fine work. The citizen journalists, hats off, hairline reveal. The punks of the world, the proper punks, and it can be a scary place. And the knock at the door, especially in the UK, we need to lead the charge. These guys are leading the charge of saying what they think, and I am going to join the charge. pnuk.com/PNUK, if you spell it right, not com. So again, mine is learning, so I did a lot of tech videos, so this is a lot of views from tech videos. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go learning. I'll maybe commentary. I think I will become a commentary because I'll talk about a lot of things and react to a lot of things. And then down here, it'll say, citizen journalist, join the network, join this punk squad. If you're paid, it's £2.99 a month. So if you want to help sustain PNUK, you don't have to. It's 100% free. But we will bump you. You know, we're going to give the ones that have connected, that are affiliated, or that I've said this is mine. But if you do want to join, you get a little gold tick next to your name. It will bump you in the lists and the rankings. It'll highlight you and things like that. So it's not a cash grab like that. That sounds a bit completely free. And you don't even have to. You can just tag yourself below, comment below, and I'll add you to the list. So your videos show up when people go there. Right, I've waffled right on. Thanks for watching. Any suggestions, any feedback, any questions, anything to do with PNUK or anything, drop a comment below and I'll jump on it. Thanks for watching, Paul. PNUK, the punk, out.